been a morning person. I mean, I do love waking up early, I like having a routine, but on some days I just don't want to wake up. And for those days, I've figured out a way to have a good morning. But before we get to what to do in the morning, we need to go to the night before. So I was always the person who would stress out the night before about what I have to do the next day, that I wouldn't sleep well and be very annoying for everyone else. So now I made it a point to take out 5 minutes the night before, make my to-do list time-wise so that I know what to do the next day and I'm absolutely relaxed. This is also a good time to save on time about figuring out what you're going to wear in the morning. So I do that at night as well. You'd think that after years of being a fashion YouTuber, I would not take too much time and figure out what I want to wear, but I do take a bunch of time. Which one? This one? So winters are coming and the world famous Dilli ki sardi can be very brutal for skin. So to have super soft, smooth and hydrated skin and feet, I make sure I moisturize really well the night before. And I'm using the Parachute Advanced Body Lotion, which actually is a coconut based moisturizer. And if you didn't know, coconut in general in the whole world is coming back in fashion for skincare, which is great because it's an Indian thing. And this one in particular has a cocoa lipid formula which has natural lipids that goes 10 layers deep into your skin and helps you lock that moisture in. So that's amazing. So I use a bunch of this and wake up with really nice and smooth skin in the morning. Actually really bad at doing hair. So what I do on a few nights is put my hair into 2 braids like this. Now this can give you really nice loose waves also and make your hair super manageable and smooth in the morning. Oh, and also I make sure I keep my phone far away from my bed so that I actually have to move myself and grab it to turn off the alarm. Greasy hair. All you need to do for that is to just wash the front part of your hair, just this lut, and it'll make you look like you washed your hair. I keep my phone away from myself in the morning. I don't even look at it or social media before I finish my entire morning routine. Reason, because it keeps me really calm in the morning and I just want to be alone just with my thoughts, be very relaxed and not be bothered with what's happening in someone else's life. So instead, let's do something more positive, let's exercise. Mornings is the best time to get a workout because that way you get it done and over with. If you leave it for the later part of the day, you'll never get it done.
सेजल कितने बजे जाना है तुम्हें?
1.5 घंटे में. Yeah, 90 minutes is how much time I usually keep before I have to leave and wake up early on time so that I can just have a relaxed morning, chill out, not be in too much stress and also start my morning off with some energy. For that, let's play some music. Some people like a heavy breakfast in the morning. I don't particularly have any rules, I just try and listen to my body. If I'm hungry, I'll eat more. If I'm not, I won't eat a lot. But what I do is, I usually have a cup of black tea without any milk. Because anything that's warm just helps me slow down and helps me calm down in the morning so that I'm not in a rush and I'm relaxed. You also get a really puffy face in the morning. I look like a different person entirely. So one trick that I found recently is to put ice on your face. Now make sure you don't put it directly on your face but use some kind of a cloth. I steal my dad's hankies for that and just lightly massage your face with it. Trust me, your face will deflate in 2 minutes if you do this. Using full-on makeup on an everyday basis is really bad for your skin. Also, I'm way too lazy to do the whole shebang every day. So for a random day like today, I just use like coconut based moisturizer on my skin, eyeliner and lip balm. Last minute backpacking, it does really waste a lot of time. So what I do is I have these little pouches that I make with all my important things. Like one has my money, one has my keys, and I just switch the pouches from back to back to save time. So at this point you would want to fall back on your bed, but don't do it. Plan as much as you can in advance and I promise you you'll hate mornings a little bit lesser.